Hello students, so welcome back to our second lecture of the chapter 2 solutions. If you could remember, in last lecture we just had an introduction to solutions. Solutions क्या होते हैं, solute, solvent, and we defined one thing that हम जितने भी examples पढ़ेंगे, whatever examples we study, we will study binary solutions. I repeat, binary solutions, which means there will be one solute and there will be one solvent. Right? Now see, in last lecture we just stopped at a point that what to do if we want to find the amount of solute, that is the substance dissolved in the mixture. So we said that we would be continuing with the terms that are called as concentration terms. Many of them you have already studied in 11th standard. जैसे the first term molarity, right? The first term molarity, which means the number of moles of solute dissolved per liter solution. I repeat, it means number of moles of solute dissolved per liter solution, and hence molarity will be number of moles upon volume in liter. And in 11th standard you have already studied moles equals to given gram upon molar mass. So given gram upon molar mass will replace moles as given gram upon molar mass. Liter, we all know that BML, that is ml divided by 1000 is liter, so that 1000 goes up and we get a formula, molarity equals to given mass of solute upon molar mass of solute multiplied by 1000 upon VML of solution. The second concentration term, again you have studied in 11th standard, molality. Molality, symbol chota m, small m, and it means moles of solute dissolved per kilogram of solvent. मैंने 11th में भी बोला था, remember the only concentration term where we have solvent, the only concentration term with solvent, and as we just said, moles of solute per kilogram of solvent, moles given gram upon molar mass. So molality will become given gram of solute upon molar mass of solute, that's moles, into 1000 upon gram of solvent. Right? Remember one thing students, that if we have same value, matlab if someone says 1 molar capital M NaCl and 1 molar छोटा m NaCl, और पूछा जाए out of those two which is having more number of solute molecules, तो याद रखना है आपको, बड़ा M हमेशा बड़ा होगा, छोटा m हमेशा छोटा होगा. I repeat, याद रखना है आपको, बड़ा M हमेशा बड़ा होगा, छोटा m हमेशा छोटा होगा, provided volume is same and concentration is same. Right? We will use this relation when we are solving MCQs of JEE and NEET for colligative properties. I repeat, ये जो मैंने बोला छोटा m बड़ा m relation we use sometimes in solving MCQs of JEE and NEET for colligative properties. The third concentration term, again in 11th it was there, not given in our current textbook, that's normality, capital N, which means gram equivalent of solute dissolved per liter solution. Where gram equivalent we use as the substitute for gram molecule, and hence we have a term equivalent mass, which is molecular mass upon acidity, मतलब बेस कितने OH माइनस रिप्लेस करवा सकता है, basicity, acids के पास कितने रिप्लेसेबल H प्लस है और टोटल वैलेंसी ऑफ पॉजिटिव आयन एंड नेगेटिव आयन, एंड हेंस द फॉर्मूला गोज normality equals to given gram of solute upon equivalent mass, that's gram equivalent into 1000 upon VmL of solution, right? And one extra formula again for your JEE NEET, if you want to relate molarity with normality, I repeat, if you want to relate molarity with normality, it's normality equals to molarity into basicity or total valency. I repeat, normality equals to molarity in basicity or total valency, right? These three concentration terms we use in academic field. We have few more, let's continue with that. Okay, we'll continue with the fourth concentration term. Now see students, 4, 5, 6, they all are percentage term, right? And there is no rocket science behind that. आप सब पता होगा, if I want to find percentage of marks scored, what you do, right? Percentage of 10 standard कैसे ढूंढते थे? Marks obtained upon total multiply by 100. Same thing, multiply by 100 would be there in each percentage term, like the first percentage term, that is mass percentage. Students, this percentage wale terms you will find in many medicated things. I repeat, you will find them in many medicated things. If at your home you have Iodex or Volini, right, the pain relief, तो उसमें पढ़ना लिखा होगा 10%, 8%, 12% W/W मिथाइल सैलिसिलेट, W/W मिथाइल सैलिसिलेट, अ पेन किलर. क्या मतलब होता है उसका? तो 10% W/W would mean 10 gram of methyl salicylate per 100 gram of that tube. I repeat, what it means, X percentage W/W means X gram of solute dissolved in या present in 100 gram of mixture, and hence the formula X gram मतलब given gram, that is mass of given solute upon total mass of solution multiplied by 100, right? Percentage वैसे ही तो ढूंढते हैं, गिवन ग्राम मतलब गिवन मार्क्स अपॉन टोटल, तो W ग्राम ग्राम, तो गिवन ग्राम अपॉन टोटल ग्राम मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. अगर परसेंटेज इज W/V, वी कॉल इट एज मास बाय वॉल्यूम परसेंटेज. W/V, W ऊपर है मतलब मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट पर V टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, and since percentage multiply by 100, so percentage W/V is mass of solute in gram upon volume of solution in ml multiplied by 100. And the third term interesting this year, right? Corona hai, they say keep using hand sanitizer and only use those hand sanitizers which have alcohol at least 70%. What is that 70%? V/V, right? सब ऐड देते हैं 99.9% जर्म्स किल हो जाएंगे, 70% V/V, that's volume by volume, right? Same logic, ऊपर वाला V वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूट, नीचे वाला V वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन multiply by 100. So we have these three percentage terms, right, all used in pharmaceutical fields. Fourth term we use in again our theory portion, mole fraction. Again students, कोई बहुत बड़ा लॉजिक नहीं है. If someone asks you कि what is fraction of boys or girls in your classroom, कैसे फाइंड करते हो फ्रैक्शन? That is number of boys अपॉन टोटल मिल गया फ्रैक्शन ऑफ बॉयज, नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स अपॉन टोटल मिल गया फ्रैक्शन ऑफ गर्ल्स. सो सेम वे मोल फ्रैक्शन, मोल्स का फ्रैक्शन मतलब गिवन मोल्स जिसके भी है अपॉन टोटल. यानी इफ आई एम आस्किंग मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सॉल्यूट, इट्स मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट अपॉन टोटल. टोटल क्या है? बाइनरी सॉल्यूशन, एक सॉल्यूट ही, तो मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट प्लस मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. इन अवर टेक्स्ट बुक मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्वेंट का सिंबल N1 है, मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट का सिंबल N2. सो you can also say x of solute is N2 upon N1 plus N2, and hence mole fraction of solvent x1 will be moles of solvent N1 upon total, that is N1 plus N2. And you have already studied in 11th standard that whatever components are there, sorry, whichever components are there, their addition of mole fractions will be 1. फिलहाल in 12th we have binary solutions, one solute, one solvent, so mole fractions of theirs will be equal to 1. Right? Let us solve one of the example covering 2-3 concentration terms. So let's start that. Okay students, so let us see one numerical where we are including more than one concentration term. Example 2.5 of your in-text. In your textbook you have in-text sums which we have to solve ourselves. One of the sum is calculate molality small m, molarity capital M, and mole fraction of aqueous Ki solution having concentration 20% W by W and density is 1.2 gram per ml. So see, in one numerical we have 4 concentration terms: molality, molarity, mole fraction and W by W. See, I'll always advise one thing. First thing what you do is, जब भी numerical देखो, remember formulae whichever were there. So write formula in rough. Molality is given gram upon molar mass or moles of solute upon gram of solvent into 1000. Molarity again moles of solute upon VML of solution into 1000. Rough में लिख लो. And now see the sum. Which is the first thing you can solve? तो 20% W by W fourth term है. Again write it in rough. कुछ नहीं हो रहा है तो remember meaning. X percentage W by W मैंने बोला था. Volini 10% W by W methyl salicylate. Right? तो 20% W by W means 20 gram Ki dissolves per 100 gram solution. मतलब 100 में से 20 माइनस कर दो, 80 ग्राम सॉल्वेंट. सो नाउ यू हैव ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्वेंट जो मोलालिटी में चाहिए. 1000 फिक्स नंबर है. बचा क्या? मोल्स ऑफ Ki. एटॉमिक मास हमने दिए होंगे, राइट? दैट ऑफ Ki में K एटॉमिक मास ऑफ K इज 39 and that of iodine is 127. So moles of Ki given gram upon molar mass, that's 20 divided by 166, 0.120, right? And then directly molality में लिंक हो जाएगा. moles 0.12 upon 80 into 1000 gives molality as 1.5. the unit is mole per kg. अब सेकेंड बात, मोलारिटी की फॉर्मूला हमने लिखी होगी रफ में. मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज गिवन ग्राम अपॉन मोलर मास. सेम थिंग है, गिवन ग्राम अपॉन मोलर मास, मोल्स के बदले. मोल्स आ गए हमारे पास. 1000 फिक्स नंबर है. VML वॉल्यूम दे हैव नॉट गिवन, बट दे हैव गिवन डेंसिटी. डेंसिटी we all know density is mass by volume, that is density equals to mass of solution upon volume of solution. तो VML ऊपर आ जाएगा, डेंसिटी डिनोमिनेटर में, and we will get VmL of solution 100, that is mass of solution, divided by density 1.2, we get 83.195 ml. Place that VmL here, so 0.120, that is moles ढूंढा है given gram upon molar mass. VmL using density multiply by 1000 and we get molality, say molarity 1.44. अच्छा, you can also use another formula, right? But that would be good if you are using for in Gujarat board. You can use this extra formula as well, which is 1 upon molality equals to density upon molarity minus molar mass upon molality. Already ढूंढ लिया 1.5. Density given in the question. Molarity capital M find करना है. Molar mass again आपने ढूंढ लिया है 166, right? So that way also you can solve it. Now the third concentration term which is asked, mole fraction. Again तुरंत क्लिक होना चाहिए. रफ में फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? तो मोल फ्रैक्शन इज इक्वल्स टू गिवन मोल्स अपॉन टोटल मोल्स ऑफ KI फाइंड कर लिए स्टार्टिंग में. मोल्स ऑफ वाटर सेम गिवन ग्राम अपॉन मोलर मास, that's 80 divided by 18, 4.44. So 0.120 upon 0.12 plus 4.44. So that's 0.126. And in this way you can solve 3 concentration terms using 1. Now see the last concentration term, that is parts per million, ppm, right? You all would have heard this in news during winters, right? The air of Delhi, even our Ahmedabad becomes worse because it has certain particulate matter 300, 400 ppm, that's parts per million, where what we say, if it is parts per million by mass, then it is given gram of component upon total mass of the sample or solution into 10 raised to 6 million. Why? So its meaning is milligram of solvent, milligram of solute per kilogram of solution. So milligram को ग्राम में कन्वर्ट किया, किलोग्राम को भी ग्राम में, that's how it is 10 raised to 6. Sometimes for water we use parts per million by volume, which is given gram of the component, मतलब the pollutant upon total ml of the water sample multiplied by 10 raised to 6, right? In next lecture we'll see one of the numerical based on parts per million and gaseous substances dissolved in liquid solvent.